I got started in PMU a few years ago. My husband, Mikhail, is actually a tattoo artist, and I saw some of his friends doing permanent makeup, and I was like, this is amazing, I have to learn. I actually heard about Evenflo from Instagram. Basically, what attracted me to using it was their approach to being able to use the pigments on all different skin types. I think it's important for people to know who are just getting involved in the industry. It's not going to be as easy as it looks on Instagram. I get a lot of people who want to sign up for trainings that I think they just see the Instagram glam, and they think it's an easy way to just jump in and make money. But the truth is, it's not something that just anyone can do. You have to put work into it. And it takes a couple years for you to get to a point where you feel like your work is really something super great. And it takes all your free time to practice. My top tips for neutralizing the lips would be always to take a look at that client and see what it is that they need. Every single person is different, and they're gonna go through an entirely different process, especially through healing. And it's not just, we need to choose orange. Like, it's so much more than that. You need to identify the undertones of their skin. Even more than just choosing the correct color, you need to identify what the density of their skin looks like. Is it thicker? Is it thinner? Does it have wrinkles? How dark is the dark pigmentation? That will also give you an idea for how many sessions that person is going to need. So for me, I think the hot trend is people really seem to like results that stand out a little bit more. So most often what I get is people asking for that high saturation. I think as people get more comfortable with lip blush, like the more daring they're getting. So I noticed when I first started doing lip blush, everybody was very like, sheer results, I want this to be unnoticeable. And now all I'm getting is, let's do red. I want this to be like super noticeable when it heals, like bam, power results. So I think moving forward, the trend that I see personally in New York is that people want that like high saturation finish. Using Evenflo pigments is especially great for me as a New York artist, because in New York there's just so many different people of so many different ethnicities and different backgrounds, and I like having the ability to formulate whatever I need to fit that person.